Here we have a Range Rover Vogue in Loire Blue. You have privacy glass, 22-inch alloys, an electrically deployable tow bar, a powered tailgate and keyless entry. Going inside the vehicle, you also have electrically deployable side steps, Range Rover script tread plates and a full ebony leather interior. A sliding panoramic roof, which is great for letting in more light. Front centre console cooler compartment, which is handy if you go on long journeys and want to keep refreshments cold. A rear view camera, making parking and reversing a lot easier. Sat nav and other options which can all be controlled using the buttons on your wheel. You also have cruise control and a heated steering wheel, along with heated front seats, which is a luxury especially in winter. The front seats are also memory, which is ideal if there's several people driving the vehicle, and you also have a Meridian sound system. This car's done 64,261 miles. And stepping back outside the car, that was the Range Rover Vogue. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 211 131. Thank you.